This is Max playing with his rock. It's just the most bizarre thing in the world, but the rock is his very favorite toy. As he runs away from it. Max, where's Lily? Where is she? Where is Lily? Where'd that little girl go? Huh? Max! Whoops. Mm-hmm.